Hey Ngoni lovers, and welcome to another tutorial Wassolon Groove. I made a video about Sinte long time ago. That was my first video ever, so I thought nice to refresh it a bit as it's a standard for people initiating to Ngoni. It's a piece from Burkina Faso, very popular among Westerners as it's something we usually teach to beginners. I must be precise that it's played on pentatonic balafon, traditional xylophone from West Africa. So it's not a traditional Ngoni groove, more of a Ngoni sound. For those who would be interested in learning the other phrases and variations, I made a full workshop with about 10 different patterns. So if you guys like to learn and support this project, you can contact me directly by email. The translation of the song is quite interesting as it speaks a lot about the integration of the Islam in the animist culture of this region. Sinte Konofe Allah Bade Mbalo. The birds have no breasts, but God, Allah, feeds his children. Very symbolic as the Kono is common name for the singer as well. In the most famous version that I know from Fufango, multicultural project made in Belgium with Pierre Vaiana saxophone and Zoumana Dembele playing djembe and Ngoni, the second part of the song, Somintina Jugubolana, means that your enemy speaks badly of you while you're honest. Thanks Ngoni for helping me with that. Ngoni is often related to social behavior and delivers messages talking to people in their daily life. Now you can take your Ngoni in your hands. We'll get started with Sinte Konofe. First of all, the tuning of the Ngoni. A, C, D, F, G, A, C, D, F, G, A, C. Now, if you have 8 strings, D, F, G, A, C, D, F, and G. Sinte Konofe basic groove. Let's break down the first part. G medium and G high. Play together. Let's keep going. G and A. Play together. So for the bass hand, left in my case, and for the other hand, now all together. Next part. G, C, F, and G. One more time. Now let's play with the rhythm. Good, let's continue. D, G, C, A. Just this part. And now from the beginning. Now let's make a loop out of it. Let's break down the second part. First bass, D bass and D high. Play together. From the beginning, now the second bass, D, G, C, and F. F bass and F high. Play them together. Just this part. And now with the rhythm. From the beginning, now let's make the link with the beginning of the rhythm. Let's remember the first part. One more time. And the second part. First part. Second part. Now both together. Finally, let's loop it. Now let's add some chili to the sauce and play a bit faster.